belonging to a village that worship a big ominous hole in the ground that often, luckily, and they are even less often once in the leader.
Today we're going to bring a luxurious lamp, beautiful lamp with an actual gooseneck neck. You guys can see it, one of the light bulbs. Now, first of all, light switch is located in the bottom lower end. You could click the button, it automatically comes up and it turns on. Beautifully elegant, stylish, and easy to manage. Comes with two light LED light bulbs. One has a gooseneck, flexible, so when you're reading a book, get it closer to yourself or line it up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Should need my glasses for this.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe